Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Path of Kungfu game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam. And now the Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up this Steam website. And once you open up this website, now you'll see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on the login option. And guys, here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create an account. So once you created the account, then click on the Start Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just download the Steam and install it in your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Path of Kung Fu. And this game will appear on the top, so just open up this game. And guys, here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. And if you want to download a demo version first, and you can just click on the add to library option to download and install the demo version. But if you want to download the original game, just click on the option of add to cart. And now here just click on the option of view my cart. And guys, here just click on that option of continue to payment. And once you click on that, now here just pay your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, then go to the Steam library you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just click on the game, which is the Path of Kung Fu. And once you click on that, now click on the install. And this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.